Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 6 5G and let me show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage with settings at last position, so let's open them. Here we have to tap to composition now to get access to grids and guides to photo or video. Let me start with photo. Now we can add to the preview 3 types of grid lines: standard grid, diagonal lines and golden spiral. Let me start with grid. When we turn them on and move back to the camera preview, we have these lines now. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Let's tap again to right corner, open the settings, go to composition and pick photo to move to diagonal lines, and in the preview now we get access to this type of grid lines. They are also useful when we want to making experiments with composition at our picture. And let me show you the last one. So let's move to golden spiral, and now in the preview we can see this spiral. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when we go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the settings, to the composition, tap to photo, and we can simply pick none to turn them off. Let me show also that when we move to video, we can add only the standard grid. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.